Hello, Gary. I'm Haolong. I'm so glad that I can have the chance to talk to you through the video. Before I start my question, let me just briefly introduce myself so that you can have a general idea on my background. I'm a senior to-be undergraduate student from Shanghai Tech University and is now studying at Harvard as a visiting undergraduate. I'm majoring in biology, while I'm also a big fan on entrepreneurship and management. Because personally, I consider entrepreneurship and science as something closely related. Say, for scientists, actually, they need to think from an entrepreneur point of view so that their discoveries can be made into something useful. While for the entrepreneurs, sometimes they do need advanced scientific tools to make their novel ideas into reality. The good thing is that from the past decades, we do see a lot of good examples where people combine entrepreneurship and science together, typically in the IT field. However, the interesting phenomenon is that in the field of biology, this philosophy doesn't work well for some reason. And my question is just, what do you think that might be the main factors that cause these phenomena in the bio world? And also, from your point of view, what do you consider as the biggest or say the most promising opportunities in the field of biology in the following 2 or 3 decades? Looking forward to your reply, and many thanks.
How long? Thank you so much for the question. This is going to be a fun episode. I have a feeling everybody's going to enjoy these video questions. Look, I think the reason that you're seeing a lot of people in the biology sector, biotech, things of that nature, struggle is that people hold on to romance. People hold on to the establishment. The decision makers in your field oftentimes don't want to change. In entrepreneurship, that energy is always disruptive and oftentimes takes people that are on a pedestal off that pedestal. So there's human behaviors of defense. You have to understand, once somebody is at a pedestal that they feel is the height of where they are, they start going on defense and not letting anybody take them off. They're not continuing to aspire. So I believe a lot of it is human inefficiency. As far as open opportunities, the truth is, I believe that in the biology, what you see because of technology and the internet infrastructure and the enormous advances we have in science is everything is vulnerable. I often say in entrepreneurship, which I understand much better than biology, that Amazon put bookstores on notice early, Uber put car service, black limo companies, cab services on notice, but everybody is vulnerable. I would argue because of the advances in technology, literally everything in every sector is today vulnerable over the next 2 decades. And so for me, I would take your energy and deploy it against the thing you're most passionate about because it inevitably will be disrupted over the next 2 to 3 decades.